What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's going to be another day working on this Volkswagen Beetle project. It seems that I cannot get anything done on this thing. Hopefully today I'll get some progress done. I got something that I think is going to be simple to do, but who knows? It's still early in the day, so anything can happen. But today I'm going to install the headliner. I'm hoping that I can get all of that done and get that in and maybe start doing this interior. I don't have anything else in the way of that, so if I could get this interior done in the next couple days, or at least started, get something done on it, it'll make me feel a lot better. So let me show you guys what I'm working with right now, talk a little bit about it, and then I will get back to work. So this is pretty much where I left off before with this Volkswagen. It doesn't seem like anything is done. The dashboard is half in there. Not all the way, I still have that to do, but I figured I'm going to do the interior and the headliner specifically right now. So I have a lot of the jute up there, the insulation. I still have some more pieces to go around the rear window and then along the pillar right there. So for this interior, we did the Sewfine interior, which is supposed to be a much better product from other people that I've talked to with Volkswagen. So we did the whole Sewfine interior, and this is the insulation kit that comes with it. And it does not have enough of the insulation for this project, which is kind of strange. It's a 5-piece kit. There is one on each side of the post, the 2 in the back windows right there, and then the roof. But there's more that's supposed to be there and then around the rear window. So if this is a better interior, I'm not sure why there is stuff missing. Or not included in the kit. So what I have is some of this, which I'm going to put up there for where the rest of it goes. The J-Bugs kit that you can buy is the complete one. It has the pieces that go there, and it has the pieces that go around the window. So I'm a little confused on why this is different. I got the headliner laid out right here. These are the door jamb pieces in here with the the rubber that goes all around the door that gets crimped over. So I got those pieces, and then I got the headliner. I got the bows all set up right here. So hopefully I'm going to get to this today. I don't have that much more to do with the insulation in there before that's done, and then I can start doing this. So hopefully this will go good. This is a tweed headliner. That's not a a vinyl. My mom wanted a a nicer looking interior, and like I said, Sewfine was recommended for a better interior from people that we know that have Volkswagens. This is what we went with. There's a lot of instructions online about doing this. The J-Bugs has a good video. The Samba forums have a lot of good pictures and stuff. So I'm feeling pretty confident about doing this. I have never done a headliner like this before, but it doesn't seem horrible to do. So I'm gonna get going and get finished with all the insulation up here, and then I'll see what I get done, and I will let you guys know, and I'll probably take some videos of the process so you guys can see, and I'll check back in. So I have the headliner all in. As you can see, it actually looks pretty good. There's one piece in the back missing. I'll get to that in a second. And the side pieces, I just glued them on. So the clamps are still on there holding those up. But The headliner is in. It was not horrible to do. It was pretty easy. It is a tweed headliner. Like I said, it's not vinyl. So that's one step further in the right direction of getting this car back together. And the thing with that back piece, there's another vinyl piece for there, but I guess there's a couple different ways you can put the carpet. Either it goes on top of that or you cut it right where the dynamat ends right there. And we're still trying to figure out what we're doing with that. So I didn't want to glue that piece on just yet to have to rip it off. The other thing that a lot of people don't do, I guess, is that there's 3 holes for vents right here on either side, and we did not have those, and we are going to put them in. So I'm gonna have to cut those holes out and put those vents in, and I still have to do the dome light and the mirror and the visors and all that stuff. The carpet can either go right here and then you see the headliner, or the carpet goes all the way up and it's shaped with that curve. And we're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do. So that's not gonna go in just yet, hopefully later today, because I would like to just have this all done and glued and not have to worry about all that again. But from the back, the headliner does look good. It doesn't really have any ripples or anything. This is the Sewfine headliner kit. So I'm gonna make another video talking about just the headliner. If you guys want to check that out, and I'll have my thoughts on that. But as far as this project, I'm gonna keep going on the dash, but the headliner is all set.